We're doing a full day of eating today. I am 8 weeks and 2 days out today, and I had a diet change on Monday, and I feel like this is just the start of my diet, even though I have been dieting since 19 weeks out, so 11 weeks now, but it's all been fairly cruisy. Food was dropped on Monday, and I'm still on macros with Scott, my coach. I'm very much the type of person to eat the same thing every day, so I've gotten my macros and I make my own little meal plan, and then I'm set. I figure out what's good, we'll spread out protein, fats, carbs in each meal throughout the day. I am just blown away with this meal plan that I've made for myself. It is so good, so I had to film it. I've thought about doing a full day of eating a few times before, but my food has never been that impressive. Not that it's so impressive now, it's very basic, low ingredients, simple, because I don't usually meal prep unless it's just for the next day for work. I like to make my meals right then and there, but these meals are so good, and every single one I'm like, this is the best meal ever. And I don't know if that's a result of dieting for 11 weeks or if I'm just a queen at macros, but I'm obsessed with my meal plan. I'm about to have meal 1, and I'm gonna film my day of food for you. Got my coffee, let's go. I've got a low carb bagel in the toaster. I've got my egg white and 1 egg omelette with some ham, capsicum and spinach in here. And now I'm gonna do the flipping. Look at those, come on. Oh, it's definitely nothing better than a bagel in prep, if you can afford it. So here we have my egg white omelette, and then what makes this meal, sriracha. Oh my gosh, yum. Put it in as 10 grams because I literally just, oh there you go, it is picking it up. But I still put it in the app as 10 grams just in case my scales aren't reading accurately. I have a new bottle in the pantry, but I'm not going to bother opening it. I thought this would be good to post if anyone is interested in some new meal ideas, because it literally doesn't matter the macros, because you can just like take the idea, put what you need in it, if you need more carb, if you need less, whatever. like on my low carb day, on my rest days, instead of having these low carb bagels, I have the Tip Top sandwich thins because they have half the amount of carbs in, and I still do the syrup and it's still so good. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this. I'm home from the gym, just trained quads and calves, and I'm fucked. I'm really exhausted. I'm only one meal in and I'm definitely feeling it because I slept in today. But meal number 2, it's probably one of my favorites. This meal and then my snack that I'll have before bed is probably my favorite. So I'm gonna have some protein oats. Microwave that. Looks like so much. My banana. Some bloops. And the best of the best. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. Oh my god, I'm gonna go enjoy this. So yum. So dumb. Oh, this prep shit. I do something stupid every day and it's always small things, but it's just becoming a whole lot more frequent. I said I'll have this meal before I go do my cardio, and I need to go to the shops and then come home and have my other meals. I don't have mince. That's what I need to get from the shops. Meow. I need to get mince from the shop, so I can't have it. I'm just gonna go do my cardio and then fucking eat when I get back. Well, that was horrid. I didn't enjoy that. But I'm home and I can eat. I'm hungry. Super hungry. So, gonna get back into the cooking of the mince. I use a sprinkle of this, and I do add this in. I've got my taco mince and Spud Light chippies and 5 grams of sriracha on top. Honestly, so yum. Press record, but I've got 20 grams of this in there and it is 10 calories for this, for 20 grams of that. This is meal number 4. So I've got a honey soy salad with air fried spotlight and pumpkin and peri peri chicken. This one's really good. Oh, I just thought I'd check in with how things are going. I on my check-ins week to week, there's a little thing where I rate on a scale how hungry I am, 0 to 10. And I've been sitting at a like 2 out of 10. I reckon even this week on lower calories, I'd probably still be like a 2 or 3, which is crazy. But I really think it is the meal satisfaction. Or I don't know, I'm just coping really well with it, which is good. But I'm so tired. I'm really tired tonight. Like I'm glad I have food, but this is embarrassing. Look at the time. I would love to just go to sleep. After my last meal, so I did cardio, had meal number 3. I finished my steps off on the treadmill, had a shower, now I'm having this. I think immediately once I finish this, I've just got like a little snack to go. So I'll have my snack and a cup of tea and then go straight to bed because I'm working tomorrow, so I've got to be up at 5, which is trash. Well, my day off, I went to bed last night at like 1 AM, woke up early in the morning, drenched in sweat actually, like saturated, getting night sweats, which I think can be a prep thing for some people. I did a bit of reading on it online. It said that people can get night sweats in prep as they lean out when hormones are fluctuating, similar to like in menopause where women get night sweats and hot flashes. So it was a bit disrupted, and then I got back to sleep and I slept until like 11:30 in the morning, which is fine. Like I don't care when I have no issue with sleeping in, especially on my days off, because I do like a night shift every week, so my sleep schedule is never consistent. But getting off to a late start means finishing late, which is always something to factor in before having an early morning for work, but it's not that big of a deal. So I'm just on for 1 tomorrow and then I've got days off again, so not too bad. Anyway, I don't think I have too much to say, so I might not ramble on because this video is more about the food. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'll show you my snack. Last one, best one of the day. Okay, the snack of all snacks. This is seriously one of the yummest things I've ever had. And I don't know if that's just prep talking or if it's actually that delicious. But this is the meal that I eat as slow as I possibly can. It's like, honestly, it's like having a bowl of ice cream, but I think I'd rather have this than a bowl of ice cream. Even if I could have a fat tub of Ben & Jerry's, I'd pick this. It's so yum. So, literally just that. Raspberries. Is there anything better than raspberries? The answer is no, there is not. I have 100 grams. Grams. So this is my evening snack. Shout out if you're one of those kids that would stir their ice cream around the bowl until it was like soup. I do that with the berries until they're like not melted but all like squished in with the yogurt and it's all like pink and delicious. is my final meal slash snack of the day. So yeah, slay, that is my meal plan that I have made for myself based off my macros at 8 weeks out from my first show of the season for my IFBB wellness debut. I think this is a really good day of eating. It's very balanced in every meal in terms of protein, fats and carbs, and I think that it's something that anyone could take and replicate in their day and make it suit their macros, whether they had like more carbs, more fats, whatever. Like on a high fat day I might put peanut butter in my oats and then take out all the fruit except the berries. Yeah, hopefully this has given y'all some ideas, or you just enjoyed my food. I'm just so content. It makes such a difference. So I'm super happy that I am on macros because I enjoy finding these meals that are healthy but suit my, like, what I need depending on my goal at the time. And I'm so happy to eat the same exact food every single day. So that's why it works for me. I don't have to think about what, like, I feel like something different tomorrow. In this phase of a prep, it doesn't matter if I feel like something different. This is what I'm eating every day, and that's what I'll continue to eat every day until my macros get changed, and then I'll figure out what I do then. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.